Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best acrylic nail containers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in achieving professional-looking manicures at home, providing a secure and organized solution for storing your acrylic powders, glitters, and other nail art embellishments, ensuring they remain pristine and readily accessible for your creative endeavors, ultimately elevating your nail artistry and streamlining your application process with unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Kit Easy Nail Extension Set. Achieve salon-quality gel nail extensions right at home. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless application. Explore endless creative possibilities with over 500 nail tips. Shape them into elegant coffin styles for a chic look. Our innovative 5-in-1 formula acts as your base gel and glue, simplifying the process. It ensures a strong and lasting bond. Cure your gel nails quickly and efficiently with the included innovative LED lamp. Get perfect results every time. Enjoy the convenience of DIY nail art at home. This set makes creating beautiful gelly tips simple and fun. Transform your nails with this comprehensive kit. It's your personal solution for stunning nail art without leaving home. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for at-home nail extensions. It includes everything you need for a salon-quality finish without leaving your house. If you're looking for convenience and a professional result, this is the perfect choice for a DIY nail enthusiast. What people say. The product is very good, it is easy to use and the quality is very good. The product is very beautiful and the design is very unique. It is also very practical and can be used for many purposes. The product is very durable and can be used for a long time. It is also very easy to clean. Number 4. Accmor 100 PCS 3G Clear Plastic Sample Containers with Lids. Crafted from durable acrylic, these containers are designed to resist breaking and prevent leaks. You can trust their quality for everyday use. Each container holds 3 grams, offering a convenient size for various applications. The clear lids make it easy to see the contents at a glance. Their compact size makes them ideal for travel. Easily slip them into your pocket, purse, or luggage and take them wherever you go. These reusable jars are perfect for a wide range of items. Store your creams, lotions, cosmetics, lip balms, and even small accessories like beads and jewelry. This package includes 100 empty clear plastic containers with lids, along with 5 mini spatulas. It's a great set, especially for all your travel needs. What we like. These small containers are ideal for travel and on-the-go use. Their compact size fits easily into any bag, and they are designed to prevent leaks. If you need to store small amounts of cosmetics, samples, or nail accessories while traveling, these are a great option. What people say. The product is very good and the quality is excellent. It is easy to use and the results are professional. The design is beautiful and it looks great on my desk. Number 3. Beauticom 10G 10 ml Purple Lid Round Jars, 40 PCS. Discover the perfect containers for all your needs. These clear jars with purple lids are ideal for creams, lotions, makeup, and even small crafts. Each jar measures just under an inch in height and about 1.5 inches in diameter. Their lightweight design makes them easy to carry and use anywhere. Crafted from clear and strong acrylic plastic, these jars are built to last. They offer durability while remaining lightweight for everyday convenience. While not completely leak-proof, these jars are excellent for holding glitters, beads, and thicker creams securely. Keep your small items organized and contained. Store a wide array of items, from cosmetic creams and lotions to craft supplies like beads and charms. This set of 40 pieces offers great value. Experience the quality and convenience of Beauticom's round jars. They are designed to meet your storage needs with style and practicality. What we like. These jars are made from strong yet lightweight acrylic, perfect for storing various beauty products. While not completely leak-proof, they are suitable for items like glitters and thicker creams. If you appreciate a stylish purple accent and need durable containers for your cosmetics or craft supplies, these are a good fit. What people say. The product is very good and the quality is excellent. It is very easy to use and clean. The design is beautiful and it is very practical. Number 2. Beauticom 12-piece 20G 20ml clear acrylic jars. Introducing a set of 12 clear acrylic jars, perfect for storing a variety of beauty essentials. Their compact size makes them ideal for on-the-go. These jars are perfect for your lip balms, creams, makeup, and cosmetic samples. Keep your favorite products organized and accessible. Crafted from clear acrylic, these containers allow you to easily see the contents inside. The durable design ensures long-lasting use. Each jar comes with a flat-top black lid, providing a secure seal to protect your products. They offer both functionality and a sleek look. Whether you're creating your own beauty products or need travel-sized containers, these jars are an excellent choice. They are designed for convenience and practicality. With a 20G 20ml capacity, these jars hold a generous amount of product. They are suitable for ointments, lotions, and various other beauty applications. What we like. Crafted with quality USA acrylic, these jars are designed for a variety of beauty products. The flat top lids offer a sleek look and are suitable for lip balms and creams. If you're looking for reliable, stylish containers with a modern black lid for your samples or personal care items, consider these. What people say. The product is very good and the quality is excellent. It is very easy to use and clean. The design is beautiful and elegant. Number 1. Beauticom 30G 30ml double wall plastic jars. Introducing our premium plastic jars, designed for all your cosmetic and craft needs. Their double wall construction offers durability and a sophisticated look. Never worry about spills again. These jars feature a leak-proof design, ensuring your products stay secure and contained, whether at home or on the go. Perfect for creams, lotions, makeup, powders, and glitters. Their generous 30G 30ml capacity makes them ideal for a wide range of applications. Enhance your product presentation with the elegant metallic gold finish. This stylish color adds a touch of luxury to any item stored inside. The flat top lids are designed for easy handling and stacking. They provide a secure seal while maintaining a sleek profile. Get more for your money with this pack of 12 jars. It's the perfect solution for small businesses, crafters, or personal use. What we like. Featuring a double wall construction and a leak-proof seal, these jars offer superior protection for your products. The metallic gold lids add a touch of luxury. If you need to store lotions, creams, or powders securely and want an elegant presentation, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very good and the quality is excellent. It is easy to use and the results are professional. I love the design and it looks great on my vanity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.